Hello everyone, today we've got here VIVO V70 FE and let me show you how to check serial number assigned to this device. So at first, open your phone dialer. Now enroll keypad and enter code *06#06#. And here we've got device information with serial number at the bottom. Tap on OK to exit, and now you can also find it via settings. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select About Phone. Here, go to Status Info, go a bit lower, and if you cannot find it, okay, here it is. So right under Bluetooth, serial number is located, so this is how you can smoothly check the serial number via settings as well. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.